I'm going to the supermarket right now. I'm going to be shopping with my loyalty points. I have 1,000 points and I'm going to redeem them today. Let's go and see what we are going to be getting with the 1,000 points that have accumulated for the past 1 year, 2023. I'm going to be shopping with those 1,000 points. Let's go and see what I'm going to take with the 1,000 points. Let's meet at the supermarket. Meanwhile, I'll also be passing at the market. I'll be going to the market, and guys, I'm taking you guys along to the market. And first of all, we are going to begin today with the supermarket. Let's go to the supermarket, guys. Come with me. I'm on a motorbike, guys. Hi guys, I'm just so happy. Look at all this. I've just redeemed my bonga point, and when I get home I'll show you guys what I have got. Let's go to the market now. Yes, I'm still on the market. Let's try and see what I'm going to get. Right now I'm going to get some potatoes. Let's see what I'm going to get. I've already gotten tomatoes. Gai. Napatania huku. Yake nusu mbili. Alafu na dengu pia nusu. In the market, I'm headed on to buy some maize for githeri. Kamkebe ni how much? Naweza niwekea moja na nusu? 75. No. These ones I'm going to use to make githeri. Sasa mimi sijifanya na kujua, ukipita huko una shout hivyo. Hii kasuku ndogo ni pesa ngapi? Nataka kuchukua video kwa YouTube. I'm going back home from the market, then I will show you what I got when we get home. Stay tuned and consider subscribing. If it's your time here, please subscribe. Let's grow. Road to 400 subscribers. You can get there towards the end of this video. If you have watched this video to this far, please give a like and please subscribe. Guys, I'm back from the market and from the supermarket, and I can't hide my smile. I'm very happy with what my points got me from the supermarket. Gosh, let me show you what I got. These are the things that I got from the market. So guys, here are the things that I got from the supermarket. Let me show you. First of all, let me put these ones down because, hey, you are about to celebrate with me on what I got from the supermarket. These ones. Hey, gosh. So yeah, those things, let me remove them. Let me remove them so that you can see. You can see. I'm very happy, by the way. So guys, ta-da! Ta-da! So I got this soap holder, dish holder. What is its name? So I got this one. See, its price is $3.35. Its price $3.35, but I got it for free using my points. I used my point also to get this tissue holder. Ta-da! I also got myself some cups. Woohoo! Woohoo! Its price is $1.30, and guess what? I got 3 of these. I did not use any money, please. I did not use any money on this. I used my points. My points had accumulated to 1,000. I have only added 27 bob in the supermarket to get this. Look at this. Look at this. I even got this. Ta-da! This one. And this one. And the last thing that I got is ta-da! This cute mug. Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. Look at it. This beautiful mug. So this is all I got from my, I had 1,000 points. Points redeemed. Let me show you. The loyalty points. Points before I had redeemed. I had 1,057 points. Points redeemed. They have redeemed 1,053 points from my initial points. You see? Now I only have 4 points from that supermarket. And these are the things that I got with my 1,053 points. Are they worth it? Comment down below. Comment down below, because guys, I really feel good and I'm happy too for these cups. And this tissue holder and soap dish. Soap dish and tissue. This is a tissue holder and this soap dish. Ta-da! I really love them. What do you do with your points? Them like me. Today I really feel good. I've redeemed my points. I have redeemed my points and I've gotten this. This is really amazing. So guys, if you haven't subscribed, please consider subscribing to help grow this YouTube channel. So guys, going to be preparing liver ndaptayarisha maini, and guys, tag along. I'm preparing liver, ugali and skuma. it's evening, so that's for supper. So guys, tag along, and if you're enjoying this video, please give it a thumbs up and consider subscribing if you're a new subscriber here. Much love. I really love you so much, and I really appreciate you for subscribing and staying loyal to my channel. Thank you guys. Much love. Oh gosh, I've not even showed you what I got from the market. Here, what I got from the market. So guys, I'm going to put the video on a moving fast and on a fast move, and I'm going to insert a music at this point. So guys, enjoy the music as you watch and as you subscribe too. So guys, this is all what I got from the supermarket. Guys, I'm going to clean them and then I'll rearrange them. So guys, let's catch up later. Please, if you're enjoying this video to this far, consider subscribing. If you're new here, please subscribe. We are on our road to 400 subscribers. So guys, please subscribe to support this YouTube channel. Let's grow, and may God bless you in whatever you do. Bye guys. See you in my next video. Bye.